Our first stop is the bustling streets of Thailand. Here we uncover pla pao, a Thai grilled fish recipe with a twist. The star of this dish is a whole white fish, traditionally a tilapia, which brings a delicate, mild flavor. The fish is then generously stuffed with lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves and galangal, blending an aromatic symphony that infuses the fish with a unique, tantalizing flavor profile. The role of the stuffing is twofold. It not only imparts the flavors but also keeps the fish moist while grilling. The final touch is a homemade Thai seafood sauce, a tangy and spicy concoction that adds the perfect kick. Next, we journey to the heart of the Middle East to discover a traditional meat delicacy, mansaf. This Jordanian dish features lamb, the richness of which is beautifully balanced by a fermented dried yogurt sauce, jamid. The lamb is slow cooked to tender perfection in this savory sauce, creating a melt-in-your-mouth sensation. The dish is served over a bed of aromatic rice and garnished with toasted almonds and pine nuts, adding a delightful crunch and hint of nuttiness. Finally, we land in the vibrant country of Peru to indulge in a popular chicken dish, pollo a la brasa. This isn't your average roasted chicken. The secret lies in its marinade, a blend of garlic, soy sauce, red peppers, and a mix of spices that permeate the chicken with a robust, smoky flavor. The chicken is then slow roasted, allowing the marinade to work its magic, resulting in a juicy, flavorful bird that's hard to resist. In summary, pla pao offers a unique blend of Thai flavors, with the aromatic stuffing and tangy seafood sauce complementing the delicate white fish. Mansaf, on the other hand, is a rich and hearty dish with the lamb slow cooked in a unique yogurt sauce and served over fragrant rice. Lastly, pollo a la brasa elevates the humble roast chicken with a flavorful Peruvian marinade and slow roasting process. Each of these recipes features unique ingredients and cooking methods, offering a glimpse into the culinary traditions and flavors of their respective cultures. So why not venture out of the ordinary and give these exotic recipes a go? After all, variety is the spice of life.